Farmville Tavern there to the north, and our strongest winds are just off to the southwest right now.
Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Perry County in south-central Indiana, Hancock County in central Kentucky, eastern Butler County, Kentucky, Grayson County in central Kentucky, southwestern Hardin County in central Kentucky, Breckinridge County in central Kentucky, northeastern Ohio County in central Kentucky until 2:30 p.m. or 1:30 p.m. At 1:40 p.m. or 12:40 p.m. severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Livermore to near Russellville, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. These are destructive storms. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Morgantown and Hawesville around 1 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Tell City and Litchfield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following county: Perry, Indiana, and the following counties in Kentucky, Hancock, and Ohio.
In about 5 minutes, so please, in shelter.
Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, northern Vanderbilt County in southwestern Indiana, Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, northeastern Posey County in southwestern Indiana, Pike County in southwestern Indiana, until 1:30 p.m. or 2:30 p.m. At 12:41 p.m. or 1:41 p.m., tornado-producing storms were located along a line extending from near Blairskill to Melody Hill, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Radar indicates a confirmed tornado southwest of Darmstadt. Other tornadoes are possible with this storm, as well as extensive straight-line wind damage to 80 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These tornadic storms will be near Darmstadt around 12:45 p.m. Fort Branch, Hotdog, Owensville, and Linville around 12:55 p.m. Princeton, Oakland City, and Patoka around 1 p.m. Other locations in the path of these tornadic storms include Winslow and Petersburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 13 and 52. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 11 and 41. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a...
Okay, thanks Caroline for the update. Let's give some all clears here, but...
Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DuBois County in south-central Indiana, northwestern Perry County in south-central Indiana, until 2:30 p.m. or 1:30 p.m. locations: Celestini, Ranger, Millersport, Breadsville, Huntingburg, Mentor, Birdseye, Duff, Adoville, and Ferdinand. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. or 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois and Perry.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, northern Vanderbilt County in southwestern Indiana, Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, northeastern Posey County in southwestern Indiana, Pike County in southwestern Indiana, until 1:30 p.m. or 2:30 p.m. At 12:41 p.m. or 1:41 p.m., tornado-producing storms were located along a line extending from near Blairfield to Melody Hill, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Radar indicates a confirmed tornado southwest of Darmstadt. Other tornadoes are possible with this storm, as well as extensive straight-line wind damage to 80 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These tornadic storms will be near Darmstadt around 12:45 p.m. Fort Branch, Hobart, Owensville, and Lincoln around 12:55 p.m. Princeton, Oakland City, and Patoka around 1 p.m. Other locations in the path of these tornadic storms include Winslow and Petersburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 13 and 52. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 11 and 41. To repeat,
Also, we do have word that the transformers have blown on Washington Avenue.